Are you missing teeth? Do you have dental anxiety? Are funds an issue for you? You should always seek advice from your dentist first, but sometimes you don't have a dentist. You don't have funds, you don't have insurance, or the anxiety is so bad you just can't make yourself go in. It's understandable. You can, however, reset your smile at home. ResetSmile will send you this kit, which includes what you need to make your impressions, impression trays, cheek retractors, gloves, and a little chart to circle the tooth or teeth that you would like to replace. You're going to need a timer, wash your hands, clean your teeth, get some tissues, and clean a surface to do this on. They give you trays for the lower arch that are labeled bottom, and they give you trays for the upper. The bottom trays just have a spot for your tongue. That's the difference. Those are different sizes, so you're going to choose the best one for you. Put on your gloves. I love that these are measured out perfectly. At work, we use a little scoop to do the same thing, but you're going to mix these together for 60 seconds. So set a timer, roll it into a ball, and then into a log shape. Take that and make it into a horseshoe shape and put it into your tray. Set a timer for 3 minutes. You want to make sure that there are not bubbles in your impression. You want it to be a clean impression. Leave the material in the tray. Then you're going to put your cheek retractors in and take some photos. You'll take 7 photos. You'll upload those. You should receive an email within 24 hours. Then you're going to put your impressions into the bag to mail. And then your appliance will be created, fabricated, and sent to you within 2 weeks to reset your smile. This is a professional dental lab that is creating this for you.